Hi, linking already created delivery challan with a tax invoice is very easy in simpliRP ERP. Earlier, we have created a delivery challan number 1 for heat exchanger. We have also created a tax invoice number 2. We will now link the delivery challan with the tax invoice. Go to Reports, DC Reports, List of Delivery Challans, select the date range. Click on the item of that particular delivery challan. In the pop-up, there is a yellow color link for mapping delivery challan to invoice. Click that. Again in another pop-up, select the customer name. The corresponding tax invoice numbers will appear. Select the particular tax invoice. Select the corresponding item in that invoice. Click Update Tax Invoice. That's it. Now, you can see the tax invoice is updated against that delivery challan. Click on that tax invoice. Now you can see DC number is appearing in that tax invoice. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your organization.